I'm Jamie McDevitt with McDevitt Town & Country Properties, and I'm here at one of our amazing new listings at 1025 South Diamondhead Drive in Pinehurst. This house is about 4,200 square feet, and it's listed at only $415,000, which is less than $100 a square foot. What a great deal. This house has been extensively renovated by the current owners, so let's go take a look at what they've done. They started with some fabulous landscaping, including some stone beds and beautiful plantings, and there is also an irrigation system as well. Notice all the stonework and pavers. All of that is new. Let's go take a look at what they've done inside. This is the foyer when you come in, and it has some beautiful granite accents. You also have a very open floor plan here with the great room. One of the things that I love about this house is that most of the living spaces on this first floor have beautiful hardwood floors. In the living room here, we also have a double-sided fireplace, which adds a lot to the ambiance. This is a wood-burning fireplace. And as we move around to the other side of the fireplace, you'll have this gracious dining area. New lighting as well here. All of this space overlooks the beautiful deck, which we will head out to, which has just been redone. There are 4 bedrooms in this house, but what is so unique about it is that 3 of them are on this first level. I feel that that's very important in resale, to have at least 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Just in case you have somebody elderly that can't walk stairs, well, this house features 3. And it's a split bedroom plan as well. Here's our first bedroom here. These bedrooms are all very oversized. You can fit a nice bed, maybe a queen or even a king. And this one also features a ceiling fan as well. And we also have plantation shutters, which add to privacy. This split bedroom plan, which means there's 2 bedrooms on this side, also has a shared bath. This was recently updated as well with a beautiful leathered agata granite. As we move into the 3rd bedroom here, and this is a really oversized bedroom at 16 by 13. Obviously this one's being used as an office, but it's great space, overlooks the back deck, which again was just replaced, and also has great storage for a closet. So you could use this as your office or as your 3rd bedroom. So leaving this guest area, we're going back through the living space and into the kitchen. And wait till you see this kitchen. This has all been beautifully renovated with new granite. Again, this is the agata granite here. And we also have a new white granite called Viscon white. Both beautiful, beautiful pieces. We have brand new cabinetry here in the kitchen. And of course, amazing stainless steel appliances, including a Frigidaire refrigerator here. And your ovens, you have a double oven up here with your microwave down here. Great cabinet space as well. And multiple places that you have for pantries. We actually have one here and 2 on either side of the door. Again, overlooking the back deck, so that's great for entertaining. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Now we're going to head into the master bedroom. Again, I mentioned that this was a split bedroom plan with the master over here. Walk-in closets, of course, and then we also have the master bath. This has a jetted whirlpool tub. as well as a double sink with the beautiful granite that we mentioned earlier. And there is also a walk-in shower as well. One of the things that I love about this master bedroom is that it walks out onto the Carolina room. And that is also adjacent to the kitchen as well. So great for having a nice evening cocktail or for entertaining purposes. You could also put another table in here if you'd like for dining as well. Now, this is a great feature of the house. I absolutely love this wraparound deck with the cable wiring on it. It is just all been replaced, so it adds that contemporary feel to the house, but gives you great places to entertain. Now, we're going to go take a look at what they did in the lower level. Let's go look. So here we are on the lower level. This entire space down here was recently renovated. It's a great entertaining space. We have a big room here where it's perfect for your pool table, maybe ping pong, whatever you would like. We also have, if you're a golfer, a great place to display all of your trophies and maybe a hole-in-one. We also have a little wet bar over here, which is great, again, for entertaining. This space down here has multiple places, nice little seating area here, and as well, we have some great storage. These lower levels of the homes like this always offer great storage, and this one has it. If you like to play cards, there's a great card table space here. And even better, as you're playing cards, you may want to enjoy a glass of wine. Check out the wine room. All of this has the new vinyl plank flooring, which has all been replaced down here. And one of the funnest features about this house is this great media room. Go check it out. When you're done watching a great movie, you may want to check out one of the bedrooms here and just take a little snooze. We have a full bath down here and a full bedroom. It's also great if you have in-laws or maybe a teenager that wants their own privacy. Let's check out the bedroom and bath. Again, this bedroom is oversized and offers 2 separate closets, and in case whoever's down here needs some extra storage, there's actually a secret closet here too. Again, great storage. And finally, down on this lower level is, I think, something that's very important, especially if you're entertaining down here. It has its own separate kitchen. So if you have an in-law living here, or again, your teenager, even if you wanted to rent this lower level out as an Airbnb, there's great options here because of this kitchen space. So after you're done cooking in the downstairs kitchen, and maybe after a game of pool, you may want to retire outside to the fire pit area. This is great entertaining space. All of this is new out here. The bluestone, the fire pit, the privacy fencing. It's So you may just want to sit here and enjoy the evening, or you may want to take a walk to the lake, which is right around the corner, or a quick golf cart ride to Pinehurst Country Club. Remember, this house has a transferable Pinehurst Country Club membership to it. So whether you stay here and entertain or go to the club and have fun, this house at 1025 South Diamondhead is one of the best there is on the market. So come take a look. We'd love to show it to you.